Webtalk Legends episode 6. So today in this video we're going to talk to Andy Smith. Now you've probably seen him a lot around in Webtalk because they're in IAG travel.
Well, what kind of started at, and I'll give you a little bit of history of what we call the IEG group, which is the Innovative Education Global Group. You can do whatever you want to do. Do you want to build a following? Do you want to be an influencer? Do you want to do all the things that other apps are doing? You can do it. And so basically what we did is talk to teachers and said, look, you can teach English, students can interact with you, and it's going to start paying you.
Well, I was just going to say, I think they were going to launch that right as we're in the pandemic, and that kind of put the travel thing off, because I remember I was getting updates and it was coming.
If you are posting and getting love from around the world, at some point you're going to make so much money from all that interaction that if someone comes from the IEG group and says, hey, look, I'm from IEG Webtalk, what are they going to do? Oh, thank you, here's a room for free.
I can guarantee the ones that are building up a decent sized following now, they're going to be able to sell that spotlight post to a sponsor for a decent chunk of money. Like, because you got to think it's getting a notification out like to their following. So like they'll pay an Instagram influencer thousands.
Yeah, every day. And see, that's the thing. That's what's so beautiful about this. Every day is positive. You can't lose. You made that. You earned that. It's yours. He's not only giving you a class and paying you to do kind of the activities and giving you incentive. We're going to be putting people into an affiliate program that's paying right now. A month later, 140 million people were using Zoom. That means 100 million people probably upgraded too. Maybe not all of them, but let's say 50 million people upgraded for $150 for 1 year. Now they can talk to each other. No one gets paid for it, only Zoom does.